Welcome. Today, we're diving into how to use the compact layout on your Pinterest board, an updated feature that helps you see more pins at a glance and keeps your board looking neat and organized. First, open the Pinterest app on your device and head straight to your profile. This is where all your boards live, and it's the starting point for customizing how you view them. Next, tap on the Boards tab. This will bring up a list of all the boards you've created or followed. It's a great way to quickly find the board you want to adjust. Once you've found the board you want to change, tap on it to open it. Now you're inside the board, ready to switch up the layout. Look to the top right corner of your screen for the Sort or Layout icon. This icon is your gateway to different ways of viewing your pins. Tap on it to open the layout options. From the options that appear, select Compact. This layout shrinks the size of each pin, allowing you to see more pins on your screen without scrolling as much. It's perfect for quickly browsing through a large collection, or when you want a cleaner, more streamlined look. And that's it. Your board now displays in compact layout, making it easier to navigate and enjoy your pins. If you ever want to switch back, just follow the same steps and choose a different layout. Using the compact layout is a simple way to enhance your Pinterest experience, especially if you love having lots of ideas at your fingertips without the clutter. Give it a try and see how it changes the way you explore your boards. Thanks for watching, and happy pinning!